Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades here. So I just wanted to come on here real quick to go over a couple things. First of all, TBLT is at $4.93. We bought it way down at like 260 something, 220 something. I don't know, somewhere in the low twos. And anyways, we took some profit on that a couple times so far. And just wanted to show you guys on trade ideas here. You see that we have the races and TBLT. I love this graphic. I do love race cars now. Race cars have basically, guys, I didn't see the full value in the race cars till I used them and got to understand the genius behind the scenes here. But dude, look at the TBLT. Yeah, look at the TBLT on the charts here over here on the right. Yeah. So we're pulling back slightly. We made a really nice move just below $5 there. And we broke the 360 level finally on the SPY, only to pull back and drop just below it. Looking for that rejection right about 396 now. Actually, it's probably 395.79 is where the rejection will hold if we continue a little lower. The flow was dropping off nicely. So we're looking like we could break back through that 395.78. And if we can hold above 395.78 on the SPY, then I would say that we have a chance at continuing higher, showing some more strength today. Netflix all the way back up to this predictable area of rejection, right between 215-ish and 217. After a really nice move on their earnings yesterday, they threw out that big number. They're like, okay, guys, so we got to throw out that there's 2 million subscribers lost when I don't know, what is it, like 900,000, 600,000? I don't know what it is. So yeah, there's that, guys, and yeah. I don't know. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys really quick the power of trade ideas with these races. And I just lost my screen. Yeah. So that's it. I'm just trying to come on here and show you guys this really quick. Oh, let me move this so you can see it. Dudes. Yeah, so there's the races that I'm talking about. You couldn't see them because they were behind my charts the entire time. But as you see, TBLT up there, CRMD, I guess, yeah, and you can see the winners on the right there, 14%, almost 15% on TBLT that time, and 5.83% this time. And it looks like we're holding strong above the 65 on TBLT. We could continue higher. This thing has had reverse split after reverse split, issuing shares time and time again. So, it's notoriously not the nicest stock to buy and hold. So I just look at this more of intraday or short swing trades, and I understand how mean it can be. So I'm not gonna buy and hold and hope, and I'm not gonna add into my losers on this. That's the key. I'm definitely not looking to add into any of my losers. But right now I'm looking at this beautiful 60 on the SPY, and if you guys can see this is like the reversal that we don't want to be part of. Like you don't want to be on the opposite side of something like this. As you can see, this little tiny 60-minute chart, and I can right click this and look at time frame and go to sessions. And as you see, I just have the regular session on here. I do not have 24-hour. I don't have pre-market, post-market. I just have the regular session. And what I'm looking for is these we have a really nice hammer, and then we reversed and continued higher. Candle by candle is what we're looking at from this point. So if we want to add in our positions, we want to make sure that we're continuing to show strength candle by candle, guys. And then when we get any sort of tight consolidation, any sort of inside deal, so like you see, we didn't break the highs of this one, then we finally broke the highs and pulled right back in. Once we show some action like that, where we break the highs and we come back and we retest, and then we do actually make our move higher, those are really nice entries or really nice spots to add. But I'm not trying to tell you guys where to buy or where to sell, just how I look at this stuff. And hopefully that helps you. I don't know, man. If it doesn't help you, there's somebody out there that can, because there's so many different amazing personalities in this world. So many amazing traders out there. And I just wanted to test this because we have Agnieszka coming on tonight again. And we are going to be going over mindset and a lot of cool stuff, a lot of information. I think that she's helping me. She doesn't know it, but just by talking to her every single Wednesday, she's helping me to become a more responsible trader and to not play in the freeway like I always tell you guys that I do. That's one thing about me. I want to know from the ground up in trading. I want to know, and what I mean by this is like the immediate price action, the immediate response to orders, whether you go short or long. Sometimes I will go short, long, short, long, short, long, just to see the reaction to my orders. And if there is a reaction to my orders, how aggressive are those reactions to my orders? And I'm not saying that I just throw in these orders out there, just because. I'm actually trying to profit in them. I'm putting on trades, but I'm doing it in a really quick way that I'm putting in a short and I'm hoping that it goes in my direction. But I'm looking at the reactions that I have. So if I put on a short and all of a sudden the price action pops up really fast after sitting pretty flat against me, this is giving me information. This is information that I can use to understand, do I want to be here? Am I going the right direction right now? How big are my position sizes do I want to use? So what I'm telling you guys right now is basically I start with small position sizes just to see the reaction, just to know how this market is behaving that I'm in. The last thing I want to do is put some huge position size into something that's, just going to crush me. And I'm not ready for something like that. So yeah, I want to see what, are we dealing with Dr. Jekyll or Mr. Hyde whenever I'm putting on any of my trades, guys. And that's because I'm dealing with price in the most immediate sense. I'm growing up. I am looking at the bigger picture. I know that I need to look left on the chart. I've always known that. And daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, 4 hour, whatever it is. But, when you're trading the most immediate price action, you really need to know how much room do they have to go against me? So if I have a stock that's sitting at $3 and this thing can fly up to 360 and fly down to like 310 without a problem against both shorts and longs. And then you can, idea there is, who's long, who's short, and how big of positions do they have in there. So it's like whack-a-mole. They're casting their net, and they would be more sophisticated traders, market makers, if you will, whatever it is. But they're pulling in from the left and from the right, from the shorts, from the longs, from every standpoint possible. And then this is why I encourage you guys to all to understand options, because options are the same exact thing. You need to understand what exactly are the corners of this net that is being pulled in, because options play into this as well. Like if you have expiration coming up and you're like, well, price just isn't moving, blah blah blah. Wonder why? Well, options could be the answer to that. Anyways, guys, cool seeing you, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yeah.
Order filled. Check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like,
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another 100,000 bucks. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swollen. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man. I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got them sliding, I'm not gonna lose and they not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again. I can see him hating from the sideline. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, 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 grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position, obliterating the opposition. Every time that I jot it in the composition, everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I'll be getting here like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Alright, man, I'm out.